So last week was my birthday. It was also my first week of school, and I made a little video of it. It's also my first YouTube video. So I can't believe I'm saying this, but like, subscribe, and smash that bell button so you get the notifications. Okay, without further ado, here's the video. It's a beach day, guys. It's a beach day.
It is.
It's a beach day.
What you are learning to how you're going to use it. Then I'm asking you to read an article called
But then we're gonna start making money off it, you know?
And then we're just gonna instantly be millionaires.
I also decided that I would make an impulse buy. And here's that footage. I also decided that I would make an impulse buy. And here's that footage.
That one's done. Just gotta put the back on quick. That's what I mean. Looks good though.
Does it look good, Reese?
It looks good. It does.
Yeah, it looks really nice on you. That's it. I just gotta, hold on, I gotta put the back on this one. I think the same thing. Hold on. Get it out.
Oh, I got it.
Alright. Do you and Trinity both play volleyball?
Both?
Really? Did you guys know each other before college? Really?
Are they roommates? How's it going?
It's going great. My name's Ani.
Ani.
Yes. A-N-I.
What major?
EP, Engineering Physics.
What the is that?
It's a lot
She's the
of...
one from Instagram.
I am.
Oh,
I know her.
He's the one.
Caroline, come on, let's go.
Pierce Haley's ears.
We're going to Pierce's room to get Haley's ears pierced. And Caroline's doing it, and I don't know how much you should trust her. I learned all that shit. And what's this one's name? Does he have a name? Oh my god.
Oh my god, that hurts. That one hurts. It's still hurting. Is it still coming through?
That's why I didn't want.
That's not sanitary.
That's why I didn't want to.
Ready? Yeah.
That's why I didn't want to have to do it.
Back of the hole.
Hold on. I think I got it.
It was kind of funny at first, but I kind of feel bad.
It's right there, dude. Don't.
Girls do this to themselves.
Right. I went straight to the mall. So.
Is it through?
It's literally just that last piece of skin.
You said that like last 3 minutes ago.
Got it. Hey!
Oh my god.
Are you okay? I'm smarting.
Caroline. This is a.
It's so expensive.